going to draw Zoe Zebra. Let's start with the ears.
Ears.
耳朵
And we draw a round face here.
Face.
脸
Now let's add in the eyes.
Eyes.
眼睛
Now let's draw the zebra stripes, one by one. There, we now have all the stripes. Now let's draw a smile and a nose. Nose.
鼻子
And two stripy arms for Zoe Zebra. And her cuddly toy. What a cute little monkey.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Almost there. With a zebra tail. Two little feet. Final touch on the eye. Yay! Let's put in some colors. Yay! Please subscribe and hit the like button.